our agricultural wealth. Gandhiji's famous lines, "India lives in its villages," says a lot about our country.
Around 3/4 of our population that lives in villages depends on agriculture for its livelihood.
Naturally, our economic progress depends a lot on how strong our agricultural sector is. Agriculture can be defined as the science or practice of farming which involves preparing and maintaining the soil for growing useful plants or crops. A crop can be defined as any cultivated plant that is harvested for the purpose of consumption in terms of food, livestock fodder, clothing, medicines, biofuel, etc.
Agriculture also includes rearing of animals for production of edible animal products such as dairy products, meat, and other products like wool.
Types of crops. Crops are of two types. 1. Food crops. 2. Cash crops. Food crops form the overall diet of a nation. Cereals, pulses, oilseeds, and millets are food crops. Cash crops are grown for their commercial value. Sugarcane, cotton, jute are some examples of cash crops. Crops are also categorized on the basis of the sowing and harvesting seasons.
Kharif crops, also called the monsoon crop in the subcontinent, are planted in the monsoon season and harvested during the retreating monsoons.
Some kharif crops are rice, millet, maize, sugarcane, cotton, tea and coffee. Rabi crops, also called winter crops, are planted in winter and harvested in spring. Rabi is the Arabic word for spring season. Some Rabi crops are wheat, potato, mustard, gram, and green peas. Food crops. Some of the food crops are as follows. Rice. Rice is the major food crop of India.
It is the staple food of people living mostly in eastern and southern states.
Rice needs a hot and humid climate and is therefore grown in areas which receive abundant rainfall. It is the main kharif crop of the country. River basins and deltas are ideal for growing rice. The major producers of rice are West Bengal, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh,
and Odisha.
Good irrigation methods have resulted in improved rice production in Punjab and Haryana. The hilly terrain from Kashmir to Assam is also suitable for rice production. Wheat. Wheat is the second most important crop after rice and is also the most important Rabi crop. This crop is the staple food of northwestern India.
When sown, wheat needs a cool and wet climate.
It also needs bright sunlight during the ripening and harvest period. Wheat is mostly grown in the northern plains in Punjab, Haryana, western Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Many areas of Bihar, Rajasthan, Gujarat and Maharashtra also produce wheat. Millet. Millets are coarse or seeded grains. They are grown as cereal crops across the country. Millets are largely consumed as a major food crop and also serve as fodder and bird food. They have higher protein content than both wheat and rice. Millets need drier atmospheric conditions than the other food crops like rice and wheat. State producing millets are Jawar, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka. Bajra, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat. Ragi, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Our agriculture cash crops. Crops are as follows. Sugarcane. Sugarcane is cash crops of India.
It is the main raw material of sugar.
This crop is in February and humid climate rainfall. Uttar Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu producing states of India. Grown in the eastern of India, Ganges Delta. The crop needs climate. Jute is used carpets. Major jute are West Bengal, Assam, Odisha. Cotton is cotton thread and a hot and wet climate of harvest, the wet and dry. Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana and major producers of tea. Widely consumed plant needs hot with abundant rain. UV plantations in Assam, that is to the Brahmaputra Valley, West Bengal district of Darjeeling, Tamil Nadu district, that is Munnar and Thipanahalli. Coffee is one of the popular drink. States such as Karnataka and Tamil Nadu coffee producers. Known for its flavor in the global coffee in India. In 1996, Government of India Green Revolution with the supervision of and workers to make India in food production. Dr. along with Professor Low worked to methods to improve yields such as high yielding variety HYV, modern ways of use of tractors and Dr. Swaminathan, father of the Green Development Programs in 1. Rashtriya. It was launched Development Council to boost is also called Agriculture Development NAD. National Horticulture started in year 2006 to horticulture sector. Horticulture is garden cultivation management.